Communication isn't the problem. Couples have no problems talking to one another. The real problem comes to play when partners try to get their partners to see what they see. The problem with this is that you and your partner have different eyes and different viewpoints. You're not going to see the exact same thing. So let's take this example. Here you are. This circle represents the way that you see the world, how you wish for things to go, how you think it's going, and how you feel about how it's going. See, this person here thinks there's a real dangerous situation. Can the other partner imagine that their partner is seeing a shark-infested water? Yeah, they're laying on the beach. Here's you. You're thinking about work and you're thinking about there's a shark out in the distance. There's some things you need to talk about. But you're thinking about the kids. You're thinking about what you have to do when you get home. You're not really thinking right now is the time to talk about things. Now, this person has their thoughts, feelings, and desires. Maybe they're not thinking the issue that you want to talk about is so pressing. They're thinking about other things, and the thinking is that this isn't a good time to talk about your topic. They don't think it needs to be done now. Can you see that this is going to be a problem to overcome? You and your partner are two separate people.